Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find your OBD2 slot. In case of an Opel Astra G, open the door of the driver's side and extract this cover, and as you can see, there it is, the OBD2 port. There you're going to plug in your OBD2 device and have a look. Now let's read some codes. Good job. This Astra calls Chevrolet Astra, Chevrolet Viva, Holden Astra, Vauxhall Astra, or Opel Astra Classic 2, and there you are going to find and erase some failure codes. Easy as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.